What's up guys, today we have ARTOS speaker broken charging port. The customer bring this device and told me that charging port has been broken inside. I have already disassembled the speaker, and as you can see we have a missing pads on the board, and we have to create some pads in order to let the speaker working and charging again. I'm going to use the diode mode or continuous mode to check from where we have to create the missing pads. We have the 1 2 3 we have in the middle, the 3 1 in the middle connected to that capacitor, and we have the first one connected to it also, and we have the second one between them. It's ground, so we are going to leave it. We don't need it. So we have to create a pads to 1 and 3. We have 4 and 5. They are in place, so no need to create them. We are going to resolder the pads. This is the broken charging port. Seems it's working and we don't have anything bad with it. It's just got removed from the board with the broken pads on it. So we are going to put it the same one. I just want to mention I have never create pads before and captures on camera. This is my first time I'm doing it with succeed. We didn't born with experience. We always learn something new, and this is normal. I'm putting solder on the points where I'm going to resolder the charging port, because I'm going to put it in there using the heat gun, so we need some solder on it to make the charging port solid in place, and then we will make or jump the wires to the charging port. Press on it, and that's it. I'm going first to make sure the first 2 pads is connected to the charging port. I'm going to resolder them, and then I will continue to make the jumper lines. It takes me a long time because my soldering iron didn't help, because the tip somehow didn't work the way I want. Also, because this is my first time, I'm going to connect this L1. Okay, I thought it's a capacitor, but it's not a capacitor. We are going to put one line and then connect it to the first pad, and then we can jump it to the 3. So no need to put two jumper wires, just one. You will see the way I will put it. This job needs two hands or two tweezers. We are going to solder the first pad. No need to cut the wire because we are going to solder the new one again to the middle pad. The wire is solid now. We can now step to the next pad. Now we can cut the wire. Be careful when you solder not to solder two pads together because we don't need to make an open circuit. This is very important and makes something to be burned. This is very important. This one connected first to the third one. Okay, we have succeed solder the third bed. Now I'm going to test continuous. Okay, we have connection and we have connection. We don't have connection and also we don't have connection on these. Our job is perfect now. Now we can assemble and test. I'm going also to put more solder to make the charging port solid more. You have to clean with the alcohol before you putting the UV. It's very important because the UV may not be solid if there is a flux under it. But as I told you, because this is my first time using the UV, let it drain and then we will continue. Right, we are done. Let's now assemble and test. I have marked these connectors, so you may need to do that also. I have connected the first charger, but it seems this charger is not working. I'm going to use another charger. Sometimes these chargers came damaged by using to other damaged devices, so we are continuous replacing it. Now this is a new charger. Okay, we have a light, we have a red light, and our job has been done and the speaker is charging now. So let's assemble and that's it. This was for today. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can just write it on the comments below. Thank you for watching. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.